We finished the project and it's all gone according to plan, on time. I have to say, I think the choice of colour looks great. So, any comments you've had, any feedback?
Yeah, we're really happy, Bernie. Thank you very much for you and your team. Everything you did was fantastic. I think one of the biggest compliments we can probably give is that we've had other builders and painters come around to do other work on the house, and they've all complimented the quality of the workmanship and how good a finish it is. So not only are we happy, other people are commenting and seeing how good a job it's been done. So yeah, no, we're super happy. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Thanks so much, Ben. Really appreciate it. Enjoy your lovely home, and the kitchen's looking amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
Transformation on the inside as well as the outside.